Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Fanny and today I'm going to show you a simple trick on how you can remove background of an image using a free online tool called RemoveBG. So simply open your browser and go and search for RemoveBG. So the website URL is remove background from an image, that is remove.bg. So click on it. So once you're on RemoveBG, you just click on upload image and then browse to where your image is. In my case, I'm going to choose this image. Open. And then wait for it to do the magic. So now you can see the background has been removed. So what you do is just click on download to download your image. And here is your image. So when you open it, you can see that it has a transparent background. So guys, this is basically the fastest way you can remove the background of an image in seconds. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.